I want you to imagine this. By Monday morning, you could have your very own software company live with paying clients, even if you've never written a single line of code. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing step by step. No coding, no developers, no massive startup costs, just a simple process that anyone can follow. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what I did. In just one weekend, I cloned a proven SaaS platform. I put my own brand on top of it, and I started collecting what I call digital rent, recurring income that hits every single month.
Most people get stuck in planning mode. They wait for perfect, and they never really launch. But here's the truth. You can go live right now. Go from zero to live SaaS business, software as a service business, in just one weekend. Stop waiting. Stop overthinking. You don't need a perfect product. You don't even need to reinvent the wheel. The offer itself will sell the system, not the software. Imperfect always will beat perfect but stuck. Here's a quick 5-step plan to launch by Monday. Number 1, pick your niche. Spend a good amount of time picking your perfect business industry that you want to go ahead and pursue. 2 is clone your SaaS system, software as a service system. 3 is record your sales video. It could be a webinar or a VSL. 4th is you're going to launch your funnel and booking calendar. 5th is you're going to drive traffic to that funnel, whether it's free outreach or paid ads or content. That's it. Really simple. Forget the endless one-on-one sales calls. That's freelancing. Webinars and VSLs let you sell like a business owner. One video can educate, qualify, and close hundreds of people without you repeating yourself every single day. This has been my strategy. I do one weekly live webinar every single week, and I get a bunch of people on that call. Makes it super easy, especially if you're working a 9 to 5, to just consolidate all this typical time that you would take doing a one-on-one calls. Just make it one call a week or one call a month, whatever you could do. So one video does all the heavy lifting for you. It educates them, it qualifies, and it converts 24/7. No, burnout, no repeating the same pitch over and over. Just leverage compared to doing a bunch of one-on-one calls. Webinars is the perfect sales framework if you're working a 9 to 5 or you just don't want to do the daily grind of a bunch of sales calls. This is what I would recommend: doing a webinar or a video sales letter. And this is even more perfect if you're still working a 9 to 5. You don't need to be on calls every single day. You just record it one time, right? Maybe you don't want to do it live. You do a pre-recorded webinar. Do it one time, record it really good one time. I do recommend doing it live, but let's just say you recorded it one time. Now you can run that same webinar forever and ever. Now you can schedule group calls after work, or let the funnel book itself, and let the funnel book itself subscribers to your platform automatically while you're working. The perfect sales video usually follows a proven 5-part formula. Number 1 is a hook, then it's a problem, solution, and this is usually your system. You got the proof and your offer at the end of it with a call to action. So you follow this framework and you'll never struggle with what to say. Maybe you're worried you don't have a lot of clients or case studies. Don't be. This isn't a typical, traditional lead gen agency that you're trying to run. You're borrowing a proof from your actual system itself. You're selling the system, and your offer helps you sell it. Not yourself. You're not selling yourself. You're selling the system on what it could do for them. Or what I used to call, this is what I used to call the first client frame. You can also use this. Let them know that you're looking for a business owner to test automation system with full support. This creates urgency, transparency, no skepticism. Just tell them straight up, hey, I'm looking for a business that could help. This is what it does, and this is your problem. How can I help you? Right? Obviously, you're going to do a little bit of discovery. We break it down a little bit more inside of the affiliate program as well to really understand the psychology and understand how to start closing subscribers to your platform. So, you're not doing the traditional agency where you need a bunch of case studies, because you're having your system do the selling for you. Just literally demo it. Have this system literally show the business owner how it can help them grow their business. This is just a quick comparison compared to the Traditional one-on-one Zoom calls that are typically time draining, manual, and honestly they feel really salesy. Whereas webinars via sales more educational, completely leverage. You sound like an authority, and you could scale simply by adding more traffic, more eyeballs to watch your video, and just watch you do a one-time presentation, not more time. Here's what you really need to launch: a SaaS snapshot clone, a proven snapshot, which is essentially a whole business in a box, a branded CRM and pipeline, a booking calendar, and a way to accept payment. For example, a Stripe payment link connected to your CRM and a checkout page, and a sales video, recorded or live, scheduled ahead of time, and a traffic plan, a way that you plan to get eyeballs to see how your software could help them grow their business. That's it. You don't need anything else. A way to get more eyeballs, sales video, and the actual software and product itself. And if you want to skip the hard part, I've already built out a plug and play webinar system for you inside of the affiliate program. It's a proven 7 to 10 minute SaaS VSL framework, or it could be even a longer webinar slide, fully scripted demo video as well, ready to go. Just customize it for your niche, however you want to do it. Literally clone and copy my exact sales process to bring subscribers to your platform. You're giving them really a business in the box, ad templates, a way to get new leads, automation, AI file, all these different features. You can copy this whole business inside of a box, inside of the affiliate program. Here's the power of a webinar. You record it one time, and it sells for you every single day. And you wake up to book calls or new subscribers already. No pitching, no Zoom marathons with 10 plus Zoom calls. Either way, you probably can't do that if you're still working a 9 to 5. You need to leverage sales framework to close business. That's doing one call a week, for example. It's leverage at its best. You're just one weekend away. Pick a niche, clone the system, record your pitch, your sales presentation, and go live. And start getting paid. By Monday, you can have your very first few SaaS appointments or SaaS subscribers paying you $799 per month or more if you want.
So that's the exact framework to launch your very own SaaS business in one weekend. If you want the exact full step-by-step training with templates, email sequences, snapshots, done for you snapshots from the agency snapshot to get new clients, new subscribers to your SaaS platform, onboard them, retain them, etc., all the snapshots, all the systems, the business in a box system that I personally use. I did put a free course down in the description. It's literally a SaaS business in a box you can clone today. Smash the like button if this helped. Drop a comment if you're ready to launch your own SaaS, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown.